Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Desi TV USA. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at the headlines. No final announcement on PTI Lahore rally. Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif announces model city for Nankana Sahib. Shahri Rahman criticizes government water storage failures. Father and daughters missing after drain flood in DHA Phase 5. NDMA reports 245 deaths in recent heavy rains. Flood-like situation in Islamabad after heavy rains. Prime Minister orders high alert for rescue teams amid rain damage. Government crackdowns on foreign currency smuggling. Maulana Fazlur Rahman urges action against Shehbaz government hints at court move. Sugar mafia runs rampant as prices soar. Trump unveils new AI strategies to outpace China. And Ozzy Osbourne's legacy praised by Loudwire editor. These are headlines. Lead to news detail. Viewers, now the top story is here. Lahore Faisal Chaudhry, lawyer for Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI, has clarified that the party has not made any final decision regarding a public rally at Minar-e-Pakistan, Lahore. He added that while PTI workers in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa may participate in political activities under Ali Amin Gandapour's leadership, all major decisions will be made in consultations with party leadership.
देखिए, हुकूमत नहीं इजाजत देगी। ये बड़ी वनरेबल हुकूमत है और ये बिल्कुल छोटी छोटी बातों से डर जाती है। लाहौर में जलसा हो या जहाँ पे भी हो, तो पीटीआई का जलसा तो बहुत बड़ा होगा, जहाँ पे भी होगा। तो मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि इंतजामिया इस बात का रिस्क लेगी, वो हीले बहाने बनाएंगे। लेकिन लीगली तो ज़ाहिर हाईकोर्ट में जा सकते हैं, लेकिन लीगली इशू नहीं है अभी। देखिए सुना, इसमें तो मसला ये है ना कि ये पोलिटिकल इश्यूज है ना।
Now viewers, Lahore Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif announced plans to construct 2 new flood drains to protect Nankana Sahib from future floods. Additionally, she declared the development of Nankana Sahib as a model city, emphasizing that public safety and development projects remain the top priorities of her government. Now, Islamabad Senator Shahri Rahman of the Pakistan People's Party sharply criticized the government over its failure to develop water storage infrastructure. She warned that climate change risks are increasing rapidly and urges immediate practical steps, stating that mere promises are insufficient.
तूफानी मानसून चल रहा है, हमारे यहाँ कितनी तुग़यानी होती है, कितना ज़्यादा पानी होता है और फिर बाकी साल हम लड़ रहे होते हैं कि पानी की किल्लत है। यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने पाकिस्तान को 2025 में वाटर स्कैर्स करार दिया हुआ है। आपको पता नहीं कि आप दुनिया के 4वें नंबर पे हैं पर कैपिटा वाटर कंजम्पशन के लिए, कि आपके दोनों नेबर्स इस वक्त काबुल में भी पानी की सख्त इमरजेंसी हुई है।
Now, Islamabad, a father and daughter remains missing after being swept away by floodwaters in a rainwater drain in DHA Phase 5. Rescue team have continued their search for the second consecutive days without success. A video of the incident has circulated on social media, prompting public concern and sympathy. The National Disaster Management Authority released a report on the recent torrential rains, confirming that 245 people have died nationwide. The majority of deaths were caused by drowning, collapsing roofs and electrocutions. The agencies urge citizens to exercise cautions and follow safety protocols. Viewers, heavy rains cause overflow of drains in various areas of Islamabad, leading in flood-like situation. Multiple vehicles in DHA, Koran Town and nearby localities were submerged in water. Rescue team are actively conducting relief operations and residents have been advised to avoid unnecessary travel. Now, in response to the severe damage caused by recent rains, the Prime Minister of Pakistan has placed rescue team on high alert across the country. He directed immediate relief effort, including medical assistance and food distribution, assuring that no affected citizen will be left without support. Now, the government has decided to take stringent measures against foreign currency smuggling. Interior Ministry and custom officials have been instructed to launch immediately actions at airport border. And major transit point authorities warn that a smuggler causing economic harm will not be spared. Viewers, Maulana Fazlur Rahman, leader of Jamiyat-e-Ulama Islam, criticized the Shehbaz Sharif government, claiming it has lost constitutional and public legitimacy. He also hinted at approaching the court regarding the current political situation, raising tension further in the national political arena.
20वीं आईनी तरमीम जब हुकूमत की तरफ से पेश की गई तो अपने असली मुसव्वदे के एतबार से वो किसी भी कीमत पर कबूल करने के काबिल न। हुकूमत अपने वादे पे कायम नहीं रहती और अगर हम उस पे कोर्ट पे गए तो विफाक के लिए, हुकूमत के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होगा कि वो अपने आइन के खिलाफ अपना अटॉर्नी जनरल पेश करे और उसमें उसका दिफा कर सके। लोगों ने इलाके खाली किए, दावा किया हमने दहशतगर्दी का खात्मा किया। दहशतगर्दी का खात्मा बहुत दूर का लफ्ज है। मैं बड़े दावे और वसूख के साथ कहता हूं और अपने मुशाहिदात के बुनियाद पर कहता हूं कि
Now the price of sugar has surged above 200 Pakistani rupees per kilogram, creating widespread public distress. Despite promises, the government has failed to take effective actions against the sugar mafia, which is blamed for the price hike. Citizens demand immediately intervention to control inflation. Viewers, US President Donald Trump has proposed easing artificial intelligence regulations as part of a new strategy to strengthen America's global lead over China. He emphasized that advancing AI requires renewed patriotism and national loyalty to maintain US dominance in the emerging technology race.
Winning the AI race will demand a new spirit of patriotism and national loyalty. Our children will not live on a planet controlled by the algorithms. We also have to have a single federal standard, not 50 different states regulating this industry.
Viewers, in the last Los Angeles, Merlin Elder Slide, executive editor at Loudwire, paid tribute to the late Ozzy Osbourne and his band Black Sabbath, crediting them with laying the foundations of heavy metal music as known today. He stated that Osbourne's influence on music will remain alive and unforgettable for generations to come.
Thing that has come from metal, musically, culturally, its influence on society itself has all come from that first Black Sabbath album and everything that followed. It is impossible to overstate Ozzy's importance to the metal scene and his influence on not just singers, but like I said, metal fashion, metal culture, everything to do with the world of heavy metal. It starts with Ozzy and his Black Sabbath bandmates. Ozzy Osbourne's legacy.
So viewers, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. This is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news, DTV USA, DTVNN, our OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.